Hi, I'm Mark Garner, your personal estate agent in Telford, and today you join me at this 3-bed end terrace in Dawley. Dawley is just over a mile away from Telford town centre. It's in a good location. You're close to Dawley High Street, literally a 2-minute walk just over that way. And this particular property, it's a 3-bed end terraced. You've got downstairs WC, the kitchen's been modernised, the bathroom's been modernised. You've got 2 very good sized double bedrooms and a good sized single. And the best thing about this house is the potential. And this has got quite a bit of land to the side that kind of wraps around the back of the property. You could do some really beautiful landscaping around there, or there is the potential as well to extend the property. So why don't you come with me while I show you around what this property's got to offer you. Follow me. Okay guys, you've had a chance to have a look around this 3-bed end terrace in Dawley. Hope you've enjoyed the tour as much as I've enjoyed doing it with you. If you are interested in the property, feel free to reach out to me on 077 89 647 226, or reach out to me on social media. Send me a message, comment on this post, whatever you want to do. But get in touch. I'm looking to get people booked in onto my VIP viewing list so that you can get into the property before it goes live on the portals. And that's it from me. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you later guys.